Hi, my name is Vlad, and I'm a Customer Success Manager at Serpstat. Today, I'll introduce you to our backlink analysis tool. This tool allows you to analyze your own or your competitor's backlink profile, find high-quality links from trusted resources, and identify harmful links that might negatively affect your site's ranking. So let's get started. To access the backlink analysis tool, simply click the backlink analysis button. Enter the domain you want to analyze. Alternatively, add the project to the My Projects section and access it there. Once inside, you'll land on the Backlink Dashboard Overview Report. The dashboard provides a summary of your domain's backlinks, including SDR, Serpstat domain rank, our 0-100 domain authority metric, updated bi-weekly. Visual graphs highlight trends in backlink growth, losses, and distribution by type and SDR. Let's move to the first detailed report. Our referring domains are the total number of domains linking to your site and their authority. Use filters inside reports to customize the results, ensuring the most relevant insights for your analysis. Redirecting domains helps to identify sites that fully redirect to yours. Malicious sites detect potentially harmful domains linking to your site. The backlink report includes a table detailing link sources, anchor text, link type, and first-last indexing dates. A graph showing active, green, and lost, red links over time. Quickly filter, sort, and export this data for in-depth analysis or reporting. External links report. Analyze links from your site to other domains. See all domains your site links to, with details like referring pages and dates. These reports help monitor your site's external linking strategy and ensure relevance. The Anchor Text tab shows the most used keywords in your backlinks, plus follow, no-follow links. The next is the Top Pages report, which helps identify pages on your site with the most backlinks and sorts them by popularity. Finally, the Link Intersection tool. Compare your domain with competitors to find common referring domains. With two competitors, it helps uncover new link-building opportunities. That's an overview of our backlink analysis tool. Use these features to analyze your backlinks and improve link-building strategies. If you have questions, feel free to contact your account manager or our support team. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.